tires. How much is tires? Like $1,500. These are the 4 tires. I have to order 4. That's the washer. We have a golf cart. So we have a personal washer right here. Fancy. This is the body shop.
I got to check to make sure
This is
there's no
where
more damage on this side.
bring the
This side, there's a lot of the damage here. So I gotta make sure once we take this bumper off, I don't find anything more in there. So, but we'll find that out once we take the bumper apart and we have it.